porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be an after work clean with me. So if you are in need of any cleaning motivation, whether you're a working mom, stay-at-home mom, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below and let me know what you plan on tackling today on your to-do list. This particular day, I actually had a half day at work and Riley was at school because they were having a Valentine's Day party. So we actually let her go to daycare in the afternoon. Because if you guys are new, she has been going to daycare 2 times a week, but she goes in the morning for 2 half days. So I figured we would switch things up and allow her to enjoy the festivities of Valentine's Day. So the first thing I wanted to do when I got home was to clean out my car. It was absolutely freezing out this particular day, so I am hustling and bustling trying to get everything cleaned and tidy up. Just from the long work week, there is always different crumbs, food, toys, you name it, that is left in my car. So I'm gonna do a quick tidy up, then vacuum and head inside to warm up.
Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you?
As I was vacuuming, I saw that there was this white stuff on my back seat and I'm not quite sure what it could possibly be, but it was way too cold to stay outside and also scrub the back seat and the chairs and all that stuff. So I figured I will be doing a deep clean, especially since before you know it, spring is going to be here. I am putting it out there and I will worry about that another day.
It's a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather sit with me?
Moving on inside, I'm starting out in my kitchen and thankfully it wasn't terribly bad. There have definitely been days where it was a hot mess. So the first thing I'm going to do is declutter all of the countertops, put things away, because you know what, sometimes in the morning we are just going so quickly that, to be honest, I just don't have time to put every single thing away. I'm trying to get everything for Riley, make sure I have everything that I need. So some things just slip through the cracks and I just worry about it later.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I figured it would be easier to hand wash all of our dishes, especially since there weren't too many in the sink. We've really been using our air fryer, especially when it comes to making Riley's like dinner. It's super quick and so convenient. So I'm gonna basically be washing that piece, as well as every single morning I have been making a green smoothie. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm washing all of those like little pieces and cups and things like that.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the
wasn't expecting to clean the stovetop, but as I was cleaning, I saw that there were a couple of spills there. So I went in with the classic soap and water. I honestly haven't found like my staple like stovetop cleaner. So if you guys have any recommendations, please leave them down below. I've been dying to try and find something that really gets up all the grease and grime. But until then, I'm just gonna stick with some soap and water. I'm going to go with today is the Orange and Rosemary all-purpose cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's. This is actually something that I've had sitting around, but I was waiting to use all of the cleaning products that I already had, and I will tell you that this smell is absolutely amazing. I love the scent of orange, so it just made my house smell so good.
Walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade, and the days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. My phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late.
Heading on over to wipe down our bar stools, and like I mentioned earlier, our kitchen wasn't terribly bad, especially because in the back there you see that there is a table, and typically throughout the week there are mounds and mounds of just random stuff that we end up placing and leaving there. Let me know if you guys have an area like this in your home. Like, please tell me I am not the only one. So I'm going to quickly wipe this down and then move the bar stools into the family room so I can do a quick sweep of the kitchen.
I'm still in love. 'Cause I'm still in love. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't, 'cause I'm still in love. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you.
Since creating Riley's playroom, which I will have linked up in the cards for you guys, our family room hasn't been as bad as it used to be. There are less toys that I need to clean up because of course we do hang out here as a family in here, but for the most part, all of her toys and things like that or in the back, and we can literally just close the door and not have to look at the constant mess. Also, I am working on a toy organization video, so make sure you guys are subscribed and stay tuned for that. Multi-surface cleaner as I did in the kitchen, I'm going to go in and wipe down all of the surfaces down here in the family room before heading upstairs and doing a quick clean of the bathroom. On days when Riley goes to school, it's a bit harder to keep up with my morning routine because sometimes when you have kids, you don't really know how they are going to be in the morning. There are definitely days where it is easier, and there are definitely days where it is a struggle to get out the door. This particular day, I think she had a complete meltdown, all because she didn't want me to put her clothes on. So yeah, I just figured let's just hurry up, get out the house, and I will worry about cleaning it up later. And even if you're trying to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night. Laundry is one of those chores that I try to keep up with on an everyday basis, but sometimes I just don't ever get around to doing it, especially folding clothes. I feel like nobody complains about actually washing clothes. It's always the folding and putting away that seems to take the longest. So today I'm going to do a load, fold it, and put it away. And ever since I organized and cleaned out my closet, which I will leave that video linked up top, because guys, that was like the most therapeutic thing that I could ever do. It consciously makes me want to keep my clothes and everything organized. So that is it for today's video. If you are in need of more cleaning motivation, I always have my playlist linked down below, so definitely make sure to go check that out. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also leave me a comment and let me know what you were able to tackle today on your to-do list. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in a couple days with another video.